Alright, let's dive into something that's been catching my eye lately, a home designed by the late architect Fred Hollingsworth, now on the market for a cool $3.2 million. But here's the thing, this isn't just any house. It's a piece of architectural history, and what makes this really interesting is how it blends Hollingsworth's signature style with the broader movement of West Coast modern design. Personally, I think this is more than just a real estate listing. It's a window into a specific moment in architectural history, and the legacy of a designer who shaped the Vancouver landscape. First off, let's talk about Hollingsworth himself. Over his 40-plus-year career, he designed dozens of low-cost homes, primarily in North and West Vancouver, alongside notable civic and commercial projects. What many people don't realize is that his work wasn't just about aesthetics, it was about accessibility. He believed in creating beautiful, functional spaces that didn't break the bank. This Burnaby home, tucked away in Buckingham Heights, is a prime example of that philosophy. Built in 1990, it's a 3,203-square-foot property with 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, but it's the materials and design that steal the show. Cedar, concrete, exposed aggregate, brick flooring, these aren't just random choices. They're deliberate, reflecting the natural environment of the Pacific Northwest while keeping costs in check. If you take a step back and think about it, this is a masterclass in how to balance form and function. Now, let's zoom in on the design itself. The glazed floor-to-ceiling windows, dramatic angular features, and large skylights are classic Hollingsworth. But what this really suggests is his commitment to bringing the outdoors in. The flow between indoor and outdoor spaces isn't just a design choice, it's a lifestyle. It's about creating a connection to nature, which is a hallmark of West Coast modern architecture. A detail I find fascinating is the hidden studio space accessed through the garage. It's like a little secret, a bonus for the creative mind. This raises a deeper question. How often do we see modern homes today that prioritize these kinds of thoughtful, unexpected touches? In my opinion, this house is more than just a $3.2 million price tag. It's a testament to Hollingsworth's vision and the enduring appeal of West Coast modern design. What's striking is how relevant it still feels today. The movement emerged in the mid-20th century as a response to the region's climate and landscape, emphasizing simplicity, natural materials, and a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living. This home embodies all of that, but it also feels timeless. From my perspective, that's the mark of great architecture. It doesn't just reflect its time, it transcends it. One thing that immediately stands out is how Hollingsworth's work continues to influence contemporary design. Even though he passed away in 2015, his legacy lives on in the homes he built and the principles he championed. This Burnaby property isn't just a relic of the past, it's a living, breathing example of how good design can stand the test of time. Personally, I think that's why it's worth more than its asking price. It's not just a house, it's a piece of cultural heritage. So here's my closing thought. As we see more and more modern homes popping up, often prioritizing flashy aesthetics over functionality or connection to nature, this Hollingsworth design feels like a reminder of what we're losing. It's not just about the materials or the layout, it's about the intention behind it. What this really suggests is that maybe, just maybe, we should be looking to the past for lessons on how to build for the future. What do you think? Is this just a beautiful house, or is it something more? Let me know in the comments below.